How can you exit the reading list on a Safari screen? And let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Now, it might depend on what exactly you mean by this, because there are more things you might have in mind, but the reading list is part of a Safari, like one folder where you can save the web pages that you want to read for later. So this applies to blogs or some articles, and you can go to the new tab, then click the button to slide the left panel out, and you can see we have the reading list. And if you want to delete that, you can click on like you swipe left on the individual things and tap the delete, or you can also click on the three dots and make it go to a different mode. Whatever, you can select multiple of them and then delete all of them at the same time if that is what you have in mind. However, you might also be interested in a mode for which is called the reader mode. This can be triggered when you click the button next to the URL in a Safari like this. More options are going to appear, and you have the ability to click on more, and there is the use reader automatically. And if you don't want the reader mode to be activated, then you don't just start using it at all, and that could also be the reading list screen that you want to avoid. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do what you needed. I would really appreciate your feedback, so let me know what's up with it on your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming tutorials as well. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you later.